Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a full review of Google Veo 3, the next generation AI video generator from Google DeepMind. If you've ever wondered how realistic AI-generated videos can get, you're going to want to stick around for this one. So, what is Veo 3 exactly? Veo 3 is an advanced AI model that can turn text prompts into short, highly realistic videos. It can handle synchronized audio, dialogue, sound effects, and ambient noise. Unlike older models, Veo 3 gives you a more cinematic feel with smooth camera movements and natural lighting, making it look like a real-life recording. It's part of Google's Gemini ecosystem and is accessible through the Gemini app or API. Now let's talk about what works well. First off, the visuals are stunning. The AI does a great job with facial animations, realistic backgrounds, and smooth motion. It's also very user-friendly. Anyone can generate high-quality videos without a professional setup. Plus, the sound integration is impressive, with realistic effects and ambient noise that make the scenes feel immersive. On the flip side, Veo 3 isn't perfect. Sometimes it struggles with complex prompts, producing outputs that don't fully match your expectations. Audio can also be inconsistent, requiring some manual adjustment. And there have been cases where the content generated might be inappropriate, so moderation is still needed. The good news is Google is already working on Veo 3.1, which will support longer videos up to a minute in 1080p. It promises better alignment with prompts and more advanced editing tools like frames to video and extend for creating longer clips. Overall, Veo 3 is a huge leap forward for AI video creation. It brings cinematic storytelling to everyone and makes creating realistic content easier than ever. While it has a few limitations, the level of realism and audio integration is unmatched, and with Veo 3.1 on the horizon, things are only going to get better. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI reviews, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.